Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll explore the Turkmenistan VPN app and show you how to use it for secure, fast, and reliable browsing. This app offers a free VPN connection, how to configure, choose the fastest server, connect and disconnect from the VPN with ease. Let's get started. First, launch the Turkmenistan VPN app. On the home screen, next, let's select a VPN server. Tap on the Select Server header or browse the list of available countries. Each server comes with details such as IP address, port number, and most importantly, live speed indicators in Mbps. For the best experience, choose a server with a high speed rating. For example, if you see a server in the Russian Federation showing speeds of around 760 Mbps, that's a fantastic choice. Simply tap on your preferred server and your selection will be confirmed. Once your server is set, it's time to connect. Return to the main screen, review your selections, and tap the large Connect button. The app will establish a secure connection, which might take a few seconds. When connected, the status will update to Connected, and the button will change to Stop. At this point, your internet activity is fully protected through the VPN. When you're finished browsing and want to disconnect, the process is just as simple. Tap the Stop button, and the VPN will immediately disconnect. The status will switch back, and the button will return to Connect, ready for your next session. That's it for today's tutorial on the Turkmenistan VPN app. Now you're ready to enjoy secure and fast browsing on your device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.